Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a different one. I'll be showing you how to make your own nail carrier thing, which sounds kind of like unuseful, which it is if you don't use hammers and you try to open things a lot like a mechanic or something. Then I guess it's not useful. Then click off the video. But if you do want to know how to make this, just out of pure spite, just continue, I guess. So to do this, you need some special things. Let's put it that way. You need one clothespin. So just a basic wooden clothespin. You can use plastic if you want to. Of course, a nail. You also need, last but not least, a little perfume cap. Mine is metal, and this I did with a wrench. It looks kind of ugly, but that's the only perfume cap I have. So I'm going to be using that. Sorry for adjusting the lighting. I really don't know. And probably the hardest thing lots of people won't have is a little pulley thing. One of these. Another way of doing this is you take a something round, not tape, but something like that, and you make a little indentation and you wrap string around it, and then you attach it to this, which would probably be actually more secure. So this only takes a few seconds, doesn't require any glue. You can use glue if you'd like later. So the perfume cap is just for safety. You could also probably stick the nail inside anything else, but my nail fits perfectly inside the area where the perfume comes through. So that's where I'm going to be using it. And I hammer it inside so it's not coming off. And if I now hit myself with it, it will not hurt me. So that's good. If you're using something soft, I do not recommend using rubber, because unless if it's really sturdy, because the nail will probably puncture right through it. So what next? You have to take this, the little pulley, I don't know what to call this, your pulley system, and you sort of hold it like this, and I have 2 notch holes on mine, as you can see. So what you need to do is put the one through here. So put the string through the second hole, so this one, and you sort of hold it out like this, and you clip it onto it through that hole. Pretty simple, but the only reason why you're using a hole seems kind of pointless, so that you can, and then it should attach just very simply like that, right? Next, you move this down. I don't know why I moved up. And you open it up slightly, and you put the nail inside the very front hole. So it should fit right in. It can slide back and forth, that's fine. It's not gonna puncture you. And then mine has a little clip. So I'll clip this onto my jeans or my pants, whatever I'm wearing. Sometimes even my t-shirt, and I can just pull it out, pull this off, and then use it. And then I don't have any mess. I can bring it wherever I want to because it's secure. The only thing is it's kind of clunky, but other than that, I hope you enjoyed this, because I thought of this myself, and I thought it would be cool to share with you guys. So yeah, I mean, hope you really, I always say this in all my videos, but I really do hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Please consider liking and subscribing. That would be great. It would be lots of help. Liking my videos gives me nothing. So, and subscribing to my video, you can always turn it off again if you feel like that. You don't even have to turn on notifications. I don't really mind. But notifications, what it does is just tells you when I have my next upload. So I'll be trying to upload every day. Might not be possible, but I will try. Okay, so have a nice day and goodbye.